If you're experiencing login issues with Grasshopper Bank, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching to a different network or resetting your router if necessary. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct username and password. Make sure that caps lock is not on and that you are using the correct case for your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, use the password recovery option. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions or add-ons can cause conflicts with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, particularly ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you still cannot log in after trying the above steps, reach out to Grasshopper Bank's customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue further and provide specific solutions. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.